Some of you ask me about how can we breathe and how can we move correctly. When we practice Qigong, we generate energy. We call Qigong meditation, and what does it mean to call Qigong? With this video to share with you basically about the techniques, how to breathe and how to move correctly so that we can get most benefits. Today I want to introduce to you the art of Qigong meditation. Some of you ask me about the way that how can we breathe and how can we move correctly during the time that we can learn and we practice Qigong. So I will take some time today with this video to share with you basically about the techniques, how to breathe and how to move correctly so that we can get most benefits during the time that you follow my channel, my video of Qigong to practice every day. So as you know that we call Qigong meditation, and what does it mean to call Qigong? Qi here is the breath, the air, the oxygen that you breathe in, right? So every day that we breathe, but when we practice Qigong, we generate energy. When you breathe, the oxygen goes through you, and that make the air outside and the air inside of your body, they interact to make alive. And when you breathe correctly, you breathe relaxingly and happily, and that kind of energy make the qi, make the air in you refresh your body and make your blood flowing good, and that become the good qi, make qi flowing, the air and the oxygen and the energy flowing good. That is a qi, okay? And the more you doing that, the more you breathe in relaxingly, and the qi you generate every day like that is very healthy and very peaceful. And kong here is like a movement, the results of every day that you practicing. So every day you do movements like this, you make the results. You do recently, a little bit day by day, and that is kong. So Qigong come together is that we do the movements with your breath relaxingly, and you make the air, you breathe in and out, you make your energy inside yourself refreshing and healing energy, and make your blood, your qi flowing good. So that is a Qigong, so we do every day. When you get angry, you stressed, you depressed, your breath is differently, your breathing is differently. So, but when you relaxed, when you let go and you come back to yourself, and you are mindful what you are doing, what you are moving, okay? That's breathing, that's breath is different. That's breathing, that's breath. You breathe, you bring the healing. That's why when you breathe in and out, when you do Qigong relaxingly, you let go all worries and hurries, let go of fears, let go all projects. You just be here in the present moment, and you come back to your body to take care himself. That is you raise up the energy of mindfulness. That's what we call the meditation. So you do Qigong, but also you do meditation. Qigong meditation can be combined together. So I'm doing practicing Qigong every day. I really cherish my body. I feel appreciate my body is here. Whatever I move, for example, I move my hand like this. I'm aware that my hand's moving, and I also breathe in with that. When I move my hand like this, I breathe out with that. And I bring my awareness to my movements. And I breathe. I inhale. The same time I raise up the energy of awareness to my hands, to my body, standing here. I don't need to think. I don't need to worry, or I don't need to make projects or try too hard to remember. Sometimes when you try too hard to remember, it's very easy to carried away by your thoughts, and then you're not present for your body and your breathing. So I recommend you, I suggest you that just only pay attention to your breathing. Where to pay attention is here, the navel area, just only one point down a little bit under your navel area. We call dantian area here on the belly. This is where you pay attention. You not pay attention up here by the thoughts. So that's why when you try to remember, you think too much and then you live up here. But please, when you do this kind of Qigong, you just pay attention here to dantian. So whatever you standing, you are aware that you are standing on the floor, on the earth, solidly. So try to do this. In breath, inhale, and exhale. You're aware, you bring your mind back, your body back to the present moment. And your two hands, two palms, front of your belly like this, it means you are aware, your energy needs to be focused here on your belly. Okay? You standing, become standing meditation. You doing the Qigong like this, it means you do Qigong meditation. You are breathing, you are standing, and you are breathing, and you focus your energy of your abdomen, the rising and the falling of your abdomen. So slowly, when you're doing that, the senses of breathing very sensitive. You aware about your breathing right away. You know your in-breath short, your out-breath long. You know, you aware about that. And then somehow, the more you practice, the more you train yourself in this way, you will realize that your breath, your inhale and exhale, very deep and very slow itself. Because the quality of your breathing change, the quality of your breathing deeper and solid, right? So the more you do Qigong regularly like that, the more you get benefits, the more you heal yourself, because your quality of your breathing very deep and very solid and very slow in that way. And you get healing because you don't worry anything, you don't fear anything, you don't afraid of anything. You just come back to be with your body. Inhale. I bring my attention down to my belly. Exhale. I relax my belly. Okay. Breathing in. I bring my mind back to my body in the present moment. Breathing out. I relax my body completely. You standing, are you aware about your body is here? It's very wonderful to breathe, to be alive in the present moment, right? So you put your hand like this with your heart and your belly, your abdomen, to realize that your body is here and you are here. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to practice Qigong meditation is actually the time you take care of your body. You bring the positive energy back to your body. You don't need to think, but you just act. You just breathe and you just move. So breathing and moving come together at the same time. When you breathe in, no more breathe in and you breathe out. Okay, just like that. So your in breath and then your out breath, just like that. The one circle. So when you're doing that, one exercise, one movement, and then your consciousness and your mind actually remember itself. The more you're doing that often, you're used to it, and then you can remember naturally. You don't need to try too hard to remember. But the things to remember is remember to breathe, to relax, and to let go. So that's why every day I'm doing like this. I will take my time to just smile to my body and breathe and relax my body. When I'm standing on the earth, I know that I'm standing on the earth solidly. I trust my body. So when I trust my body, I be present truly for my body. So that is meditation. When you breathe in and you continue to breathe out naturally and relaxingly, you bring qi, you generate qi, new qi, mindful breath, new air coming through your body, right? When you breathe in. When you breathe out, you release the old air out. So you circulate again your body, your mind. That's why healing is relaxing and relaxing is healing. They are together. So if you don't relax, you stress too much, you worry too much, you cannot generate energy of healing. So remember to relax and smile to your body and breathe naturally. And then one day your quality of breathing, the quality of your movements could be naturally. So let us try one movement together. For example, this movement, in breath, right? Breathing in, aware by my hands. Breathe out, aware about my movement. In breath, out breath. I'm aware of my hands moving. And then in breath, out breath. My eyes look at my hands moving. And my mind, pay attention here, always come back. Sometimes I'm resting, I'm closing my eyes, and I just breathe in and out, aware about my abdomen, my body is here. So you see, Qigong meditation, the technique to breathe is like that. Don't need to force your breathing, don't need to force your movements fast or slow. When you're breathing in slow, your movements naturally will be slow. When you breathe out slow, your movements without breath will be slow. Naturally like that, and enjoy every moment that you do exercise, to do Qigong.